John, why is this house so messy? Are you waiting for magic to clean it?
Oh, I was just about to clean it, right now, immediately, in 1 second.
Lisa, don't be too hard on him. He is like a cat. He only moves when he hears danger.
Oh, really? Then I should turn into a tiger.
She already is.
What did you say?
Nothing. I said, she's so pretty, yes.
I'll believe you. But if I hear nonsense again, you will sleep outside tonight.
Oh, wow, John. You already have a tent?
Tent? What tent?
The one in your backyard. You sleep there every time you make Lisa angry, right?
Exactly. Last time, he even begged the cat to let him inside the house.
The cat is stronger than me.
John, blink twice if you need help.
SOS.
What are you two whispering about?
Oh. We were just saying how much I love you.
Okay. But if I hear something funny again, you know what will happen.
John, I think I should go now before you get kicked out again.
Take me with you.
No, he stays.
All right. Good luck, soldier.
John, why are you sitting? Go wash the dishes.
Yes, sir. Oh, yes, my love.
This is better than TV.
Hey, Mike. Why are you still here? You enjoying my suffering?
Of course. Free entertainment. I feel like I should buy popcorn.
Maybe I should start charging him. At least someone in this house can bring in money.
Hey. I work hard too.
Oh, really? The only hard thing you do is deciding whether to sleep on the couch or outside.
Oof. That was a knockout punch.
I don't know why I even invited you here, Mike.
Because you need emotional support. And I love watching you suffer.
Exactly. He needs a support group for scared husbands. Maybe a Facebook group called Husbands Under Control.
More like help. My wife is my boss.
What did you say?
Oh. I said, my wife is my boss, and I love it.
Good answer.
John, you're like a trained parrot.
At least a parrot can do something useful. Unlike my husband.
Hey.
Don't hey me. Have you taken out the trash yet?
I was just about to, after the dishes.
And have you cleaned the car?
After the trash?
And have you folded the laundry?
After the car?
And
Lisa, you're treating him like a robot. You should install a software update on him.
More like an escape plan.
oh, escape? Where will you go, John? The neighbor's dog doesn't even let you sit near his house.
Wait, let me get this straight. Last time John got kicked out, even the dog rejected him.
Yes, it barked at me until I ran back home.
This is gold.
You both are wasting time talking. Mike, if you keep laughing, I'll make you wash the dishes too.
Well, I just remembered I have an important meeting somewhere far away.
Take me with you.
Nope. You stay.
All right, buddy, good luck. I'll light a candle for you.
Yes, light a candle because tonight he'll be sleeping outside again.
New.
Best show ever.
All right, John. Since you have so much time to joke around, how about you mop the floor?
But, I just finished washing the dishes.
And? Did I say you're done?
Can I at least take a break?
Oh, of course. Take a break right after you mop, take out the trash, clean the car, fold the laundry, and...
Let me guess, walk the neighbor's dog too.
Oh, great idea. Add that to the list.
Even the dog hates me.
What was that?
Nothing. I said, wow. My wife is amazing.
That's better. Now, get to work.
Psst, John.
What? I thought you left.
No way. This is the best entertainment ever. I should sell tickets.
Forget tickets. Just get me out of here.
Sorry, buddy. I don't have a death wish, but I brought something to help you.
A ladder? A disguise? A plane ticket?
Nope. A small toy crown. Since Lisa is already the queen, you might as well be her royal servant.
Wow, thanks. That's really helpful.
Who are you talking to?
Myself. Just motivating myself.
Good. Keep motivating. Because after this, you're cleaning the bathroom.
Oof, that's rough. I'll send you thoughts and prayers.
Send me a lawyer instead.
Own, do you want to sleep outside again?
Ha. No. I love cleaning. It's my passion. My dream job.
I can't breathe.
I feel like you two are plotting something.
What? No. Mike already left. He's totally not hiding outside the window.
I better not catch anything suspicious.
I think I should really go before she finds me.
Take me with you.
No. He stays.
Best reality show ever.
All right, John. The floor is finally clean. But don't celebrate yet. You still need to.
Lisa, please. I am begging you. I have done the dishes, taken out the trash, cleaned the car, folded the laundry, and even mopped the floor. What more do you want? My soul?
Tempting, but no. Your soul is probably useless.
She really is a tiger.
What was that?
I said, wow. My wife is so much wiser.
That's what I thought. Now, go rest.
Wait, what? Did you just say? Rest?
Yes. But just for 5 minutes. Then you can cook dinner.
5 minutes is enough. I'll take what I can get.
John, I just remembered something important.
Why are you back?
I forgot my phone. And also, I came to check if John was still alive.
Barely.
Man, you look like a soldier after battle.
A soldier? Please. More like a lazy cat who finally moved.
Just let me rest.
All right. I'll leave. But before I go, Lisa, can I ask you something?
What?
What would happen if John ever tried to argue with you?
Argue?
Mike! No! Don't give her ideas.
If he ever argued with me? Oh, simple. He'd have to find a new house to live in.
Oh man, I knew it. John, my friend, you are truly a prisoner in your own home.
No, not a prisoner, just a long-term guest.
A guest who'll be cooking dinner soon, right?
Yes, dear.
All right, I've seen enough. John, stay strong. And Lisa, don't be too hard on him.
No promises.
Mike, take me with you.
What was that?
Oh, nothing. I said, I can't wait to cook dinner.
Good. Now, get to work.
This is my life now.